Check it out. So we're making clears, as you see. That famous TikTok. First thing you want to do is take out the light. Second thing is get a flathead or some tweezers and start breaking the plastic around. And we'll show you the results. Look, there's the thumbnail. Check it out. Got that one section left. And this guy might just give up on this section. How about just put it on the car and let's see is it really noticeable?
Fuck that. You need to like.
You're buying another one regardless, so why does it matter?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't fucking know though. It just matters, bro.
Yeah.
But the white, and then I powder coat my wheels white.
I already saw them white on a GTR.
GTR.
R34 sedan. He had the same exact ones, but in white.